Hello, my name is Dylan, and we are Group 61, which includes Andrew, Mia, Haley, Minji, and Ken. For our group's project, our research question was, in the United States, what relation, if any, exists between the price range of restaurants and its customers' ratings? Can this relation be detected by correlation? If so, what is the extent of the correlation? If not, what other factors are correlated? To answer this question, we need to do some background research on what others have found. And in two articles from Alice Wilson from the Chicago Booth Review and Kevin Short from the HuffPost, they stated that higher priced restaurants are perceived to have higher quality. And based on this background research, we hypothesized that there exists a positive correlation between restaurant pricing and the customer ratings. We propose that pricier establishments can utilize superior ingredients, thereby enhancing the overall quality of their cuisine. Consequently, the superior quality may elicit more favorable reviews and thus higher ratings. And the dataset we chose was the Yelp dataset. Yelp is a popular site/application used to review businesses, including restaurants. Since it's commonplace to have star ratings as a feature, they used it with store this info. For example, as you can see here, in the top screenshot, it shows all the businesses and their star ratings, and we can filter this by only looking at the restaurants. And it shows here the stars and other variables we can use to compare with stars.
The variables of interest is stars and attributes column. We could directly filter for rows that contain restaurants value in the categories column. Then we want to filter rows containing restaurants price range to nested under attributes column. Check for missing data in this subset. Then filter out Canadian cities. We apply a custom function to create a new column price range so we don't have to filter for the nested key under attributes every time. Stars variable has an overall mean of 3.47 and a standard deviation of 0.81. For comparison, we need to group the data by price range. Restaurants in the price range of 1 have a mean rating of 3.3, whereas those in the price range of 4 have a mean rating of 3.7, indicating a noticeable difference. The histogram indicates that most ratings lie between 3 and 4 stars, peaking around 4 stars. Breaking down the bars by price range reveals that some cheaper restaurants achieve ratings of 4 to 4.5 stars, not just the most expensive ones. Box plots show that the median rating increases with the price range. Price range 1 has the lowest median rating, while price range 4 has the highest. Additionally, lower price ranges exhibit a wide spread of ratings, suggesting greater variability in customer satisfaction. Scatterplot visually confirms a positive relation between price range and average rating, though the rate of increase seems to slow and level off at 3.7. The correlation matrix quantifies this relation with a coefficient of 0.18 and identifies another factor, review count, which has a stronger correlation with ratings, indicating that higher rate restaurants tend to have more reviews. The OLS regression model shows a significant positive coefficient for price range, suggesting that each increase in price range corresponds to an approximate increase of 0.245 stars in the rating. With R squared value of 0.031, the model indicates that price range explains 3.1% of the variance in ratings, showing a small but significant effect. Similarly, ordinary regression represents a significant positive coefficient for price range of 0.4469, further affirming some positive relation between price range and ratings. So while there is a detectable true relation, it is not strongly quantifiable by correlation. And since correlation is a measure of linear association, one interpretation is that the relation may be better approximated with nonlinear models.
On the topic of ethics and privacy, the Yelp dataset that we use consisted of mostly data from diverse North American metropolitan areas, which helps combat potential socioeconomic factors that could affect our data. The dataset we use does not contain any identifiable data about users or reviewers. It does contain business addresses, but that is publicly available information. Our biggest limitation is our dataset. We only used the one dataset from Yelp, so our conclusions might not be the same if we considered other restaurants not recognized by Yelp. The impact of our project on society mainly affects two groups of people, consumers and restaurant stakeholders. For consumers, understanding the relationship between price range and ratings can help them make more informed decisions when selecting a restaurant. For stakeholders, our data can give insights into customer reviews so they can make changes to be more appealing to potential customers. Thank you for watching.